I'm Anthony Slaughter of Penarth environmental organisation Gwerthu Penarth Greening. We have to get 12 shops in Penarth to remove 3 items of single-use plastic. We're finding local shopkeepers very supportive and already have several who've hit that target. We're also planning to have public events working with other organisations such as beach wardens and regular monthly meetings to keep the local community involved and engaged and informed of the progress we're making. Plastic pollution is obviously a serious global issue, but local action and the action of individuals can and does make a difference. We'd encourage people to take all their first obvious steps: refuse plastic straws, use reusable coffee cups, reusable shopping bags. Going further, look into your bathroom, all the unnecessary plastic in your bathroom. Why not use soap instead of shower gel? You can get shampoo in soap in bar form these days. Also, when you're out shopping, consider taking reusable containers. Let the shopkeepers know that you don't want excess plastic packaging. They will listen to you and they will get on board. This is a serious global issue, but local and individual action is important, and action in our communities does help, does work.